me on TikTok yesterday. I saw that video. It's trending. Why?
You saw a video trending and you asking me why did I post it on
Right
TikTok?
now, you are victorizing again. You are doing the same thing you did yesterday. Why you did that, my sister?
Sipondwandwe.
Yes, it's Sipondo, and I can see the video now. It's circulating.
Where do you get the
You see right now, my sister. The problem is that
where do you get the nerve to call me?
You see, the problem is that I know your face now. I know you. The video is circulating and the video is trending. Why did you post me? I only want to ask you that. Why?
You are a criminal. You were trying to swindle my money, and I'm trying to raise awareness so that people can be aware.
So that people can be aware.
Yes.
You know this, my sister, about what you did. There are people who are looking for you now. I don't like that, my sister.
So people are looking for me for what?
Yes, they want to kill you.
So they want to kill me.
Yes, for what you did yesterday. That is very wrong, my sister. Can you please take out that video from TikTok?
So I must take out the video because you want to kill me.
No, not me. It's not me. It's the people who I'm close to. They want to kill you for what you did.
So tell them it's fine. They can come and kill me because in any case you're criminals.
Okay, there is no problem, miss, about that. How's your day today?
Why are you interested in my day if you've sent people to come and kill me?
No, I didn't send anyone, miss. I'm only making you aware, as you are also making people aware of the scams in South Africa.
So
I'm making you aware,
why would you
Not
want to
me.
kill me?
It's not me, my sister.
I'm not your
one.
sister. I cannot be your sister if you want to kill me.
You see right now, you are disrespecting me.
I'm not disrespecting you. You called me.
What are you doing? Yes, I called you, miss. And right now, I'm asking you for a simple thing from you. Can you please move the video because right now it's circulating. And they want to kill you.
Why should I move a video? Because that video is telling people that they should not fall for your trap.
It's because they are going to kill you. The criminals,
if they kill me, let them kill me because I have made people aware.
Okay,
that's what criminals do. Criminals kill people.
Yes, they do kill people for real.
So if you want to kill me because I have warned people, you can go ahead and do that.
Miss, I'm not the one who wants to kill you. And I'm not going to kill you. I don't even have a gun, me. The other criminals are going to kill you for what you did.
I'm saying you are in charge of those criminals. So go and tell them what you are telling me.
I'm not in charge. I'm not in charge. Should I tell them to
whether
stop
you are in charge or not in charge? Look, it's your decision. You have chosen the path of criminality and you can go ahead and do what you want to do.
Okay, there is a problem, miss. Can you please, I'm wishing you a good luck on whatever you are going to do from today. Coming upwards.
Look, Abudi, I don't understand why you're calling me. Because you were trying to swindle me money.
You know
I recorded you.
You know why I'm calling you. You know why I'm calling you.
You said, no, I don't know, but you've just told me that you are warning me that people want to kill me.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am giving you a warning.
I'm taking your warning. I'm saying to you that if you want to kill me, because I have made people aware that there are criminals who are using this kind of method to take money from them, then so be it.
Okay, there is no problem, miss. Do you have a funeral cover?
And I will appreciate if you stop calling me.
Do you have a funeral cover? This is the last day I'm calling you because this is the last day or you are still going to be able to breathe.
It's fine.
Do you have a funeral cover? Do you have a funeral cover, miss? Hello? I'm here.
Did you just hear what I've just got? So now I will have to go to both Capitec and ask them that what are they gonna do to protect me, because I've just exposed criminals who say they know my face, and now they are going to kill me. And they are saying today is the last day that I'm alive. Where does he get the nerve to call me? Can you imagine? I don't know what to do.
Bafowethu nginibingelele kuphi nakuphi. Ngicela wenze sure ukuthi usupress subscribe button, wenze sure futhi ukuthi video usuyilikeile. Ukunqamulela nje kafishane, umama lo ufonelwe umuntu, abantu laba bajwayele ukufonelana bese bekutshela ukuthi hayibo kunomuntu ozama uscammer i-account yakho lana sisebenza Capitec. It's Capitec, kodwa abantu abanokuhlupha nje kakhulu abantu ba-Capitec. Then bese befuna ama-verification thizeni deep. Yabo umuntu mangabe ungajwayele angafuna angayitshela ukuthi account number ibalekile. Account number ayibalekile. Inamba ebalekile ekhadini ile ngemuva ekuyiyona yona le lomjita obeyifuna kulomama ne-expiry date lapha expiry code nalezi inamba ezintathu. Iyona nto leyo engifisa bafethu umuntu angangeni ngaphansi kwalokho kulingeka, ngoba basuke bezokwenzakalisa. Umuntu usuke phethe yonke information yakho lapha. Le number le eningi emuva ekhadini ekuthiwa i-card number ne-expiry date kufike kube inamba eziwu-2 bese zithi stroke bese kuba inamba eziwu-2 futhi bese kuba inamba entathu. Angisazi ukuthi le number bayibizani, kodwa umama ngenhlahla uyifakile ivideo la bezama ukumqola khona bemfuna leyo nto leyo. Uma kuwukuthi ubungakaze uthola nalesi scam, qaphela, lalela le video elandelayo. Uma ukuthi useke wahlangana naso, ungabaxwayisa nabanye, usharele nabanye ukuthi hayibona niyayibona le nto ukuthi iyaqhubeka ukuze bebe aware ngezinto ezenzakalayo eSouth Africa. Nayo ivideo elandelayo.
Make sure that you do not delete them, but when you have time, you have to take them through to your nearest Capitec branch, okay?
You have opened a fraud account on my behalf.
No, it's not like a fraud account. We've opened up a case on your behalf and also on the behalf of all other customers that's fallen victim of FIFA Corporation, you understand?
Oh, okay. And your name is?
It's Sibuhlungu.
Sibuhlungu. From where?
From Capitec Fraud Clearance Department.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you for
and then make sure that you do not come again.
Thank you for contacting me.
Okay, that is fine, miss. Make sure that the SMSs that are going to come through, you do not delete them, because at the branch, they are the proof that the Cypher Corporation was cancelled, and then they are the proof that you have already received your money back, you understand?
Okay.
Yes, because when I cancel you under Cypher Corporation, my system is showing me an amount of 2,350 that's just to reverse to you, because it's been a while since they started debiting, you understand me? So
that's a lot of money.
Yes, because it's been a while, you understand?
Oh, okay.
And I want you to note that as I'm about to process with your direct reversal over the line, our calls here at Capitec are being recorded for the safety of our business and then for the safety of our customers. During the reversal, we are not allowed to ask for personal information, such as like an account number, ID number, or a PIN. That information is not allowed to be asked over the call, you understand?
Okay, thank you.
Yes. As the amount that you're reversing to you, miss, because this is a huge amount, it's above 1,000, it's 2,350. We do have to validate the card to make sure we are reversing to the owner of the account.
Okay.
So on your side, miss, are you still using the gold card or the black one?
I'm using the which one is the gold card?
You're still using the gold card. Okay, do you remember when does your card expires?
No.
Okay, if you do not remember, you can check it on your card because you wrote your expiry date there. Underneath it, it's written valid through.
Oh, it's 2030.
2030.
Yes.
And then you can see now the color of your card.
Yeah.
It's the black one.
Yes.
Okay, correct. So on your side, it's 2030 on which month?
Pardon?
It's 2030 on which month?
Oh yeah, it says 06.
06.
Yeah.
And then /30.
Pardon?
It's 06/30.
Yes.
Okay, and then if you can take a look on top of your expiry date, there is your reversal card number, the long 16-digit numbers that goes by 44 numbers. If I'm looking yours on the system, they are starting with 528497. You can see the numbers.
52 what?
It's 5284 and then 97. You can see the numbers. They are starting like that on top of the expiry date.
Yeah, how many numbers are they?
They are 16.
Oh,
It's
okay.
not by four numbers. Yes, I'm starting the numbers for you so that you can see the numbers that I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Did you receive any SMSs confirming the debit order has been cancelled?
Yes.
Okay, can you read through the SMSs first?
But this SMSs, they don't make any. Okay, let's go back to the number. You were saying the number is?
Okay, it's 528497. Can you kindly continue? After 97, it's 3.
38
Yes,
24
yes,
78
yes.
36.
3,
And then 79.
7, 9.
Yeah.
Okay, the time you were making this card, did you sign the card at the back of the card or did you sign it at the branch while making it?
I signed it at the branch.
Okay, at the back of the card, there is no signature.
There's a signature.
You see the signature.
Yes.
Okay, and then on top of the 5284 number, you can see the signature authorized number. It's supposed to be the 3 numbers printed inside the small brown box written security code. Can you see the 3 numbers inside?
Yeah, I see the numbers.
Yes, can you kindly confirm the 3 numbers inside?
149.
It's 149.
Yes.
Okay, correct. And then on my side, it's reflecting that you're reversing to the right account.
Yes.
So on your side, miss, I want you to note that I want to process the reversal right now. Can you please kindly read through the SMSs that you receive on your side? Can you read the SMSs for me?
You know what? You are an idiot. You think I will give you my security clearance? You think I'm stupid?
Security clearance.
Go to hell. You think you can actually... fuck you. Go to hell. You are such a fraudster yourself. You think I can give you my security number? You call me with your useless... Go to hell. Go to hell. Useless.
Useless.